Is it really possible to turn $20 to $200 in few days simply by trading newly launched tokens on Phantom Wallet, or simply by trading what is generally known as meme coin trading on Phantom Wallet? Well, walk with me. Let me show you how possible this is. So first thing first, I had to choose a particular cryptocurrency or a particular meme coin I'll be using to demonstrate all of these, which I'm going to be showing you the reasons of choosing this very one in a second, because you cannot just randomly out of the blue trade any coin you've seen. You need to look for the best one that has potential of making the move, because apparently we are making money when the price increase in value. Okay, also known as buy low and sell high, as simple as that. And there are various ways to go about this, which if you stick around to the very end of this video, I'm going to be showing you the exact same strategy I use in catching some of these massive gains. But keep in mind, this is not of a very guarantee way to make money. Basically, it is absolutely not guaranteed. It might work for you, it might definitely not work at all. It all lies on you. Do your research before taking any decision out of it, because this is not a financial advice. Anyways, I'm using about 0.08 Solana, which is approximately like $5.8 there, which I'm going to be swapping my sold for this very coin, so we can now watch out and see what will happen. Basically, the aim is to now buy low. Imagine buying it at this very price. The market cap is currently at 35,000. So when the market cap now increase in value, basically that's how we'll be making money. Right now the market cap is still about 35,000, as you've seen there. The volume is about 752k, liquidity of about 50k, which is pretty good. But anyways, we're going to be waiting for a few minutes. Let us see what is going to happen. That's how this is done. You're probably coming across the channel for the first time. Do well to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, so that you'll not get to miss subsequent videos like this, because I come up with videos like this pretty much weekly or daily depending on the schedule. But anyways, consider hitting the like button and subscribing so that all of these can be shown to you subsequently. Anyways, we now have the token on our Phantom Wallet homepage, which is called Orbit Research, and it is currently worth about 6.14. As you can see there, we're still waiting for, like, probably 1x or 2x, or not 1x, 2x. The aim is to now wait for the market cap to increase, and that's what I'm waiting on. So we should probably see the increase in no time. Right now it is at 41,000. Look at the rapid increase there. That's the more reason I always tell you guys that these coins move pretty fast. So you will need to be very fast in entering, and also be very fast in exiting, as it is not meant to be held for a longer time, due to the fact that these are all meme. They are created out of viral moment on the online space or on the internet. So it's not meant to be held for a longer time, so that you will not basically fall for the exit liquidity. Because matter of fact, all of these coins have been trading on for the past 30 days. The whole has been taken out via the liquidity. As you can see, look at the history. All of the liquidity were basically taken out, like basically. So it is not meant to be held for a longer time, so that you will not be exposing yourself to that much risk of what we call exit liquidity, if that makes sense. Right now we've now seen an increase to some, I think the market cap should be around like 50k now. But anyways, I'm going to be selling up pretty fast, because I've told you the entry is always very quick. So I'm not expecting to hold it for a longer time, and I might choose to do it again with another cryptocurrency or with another meme coin. because there are hundreds of them there, and I will showing you some of the things I do watch out for before I go ahead to trade them. So stick around to the very end of this video, and if you're watching up to this moment, do drop a like. So the process now is to swap it over to sold, which I'm going to have to search for the coin via the contract, or I can basically just click it there, and I'm going to be selling about 100%. And as you can see, the value is currently at $8. Imagine this. Imagine that increase. We bought at 5.7. We used about 5.7. Right now we sold for 8. So that's more than, will I say, 50%. 50% increase. That's pretty good for starters. Do not wait for some big gains, because all those 10x, 20x, they might be probably unrealistically. So try to look for something that is real. Although they are real, but like look for something that can happen often. Because if you see results like this pretty much like 5 times or 10 times in a row, that's some big gains for you. So anyways, let me show you the reasons of my entry. I'm going to be showing you some of the filters I use in setting up this deck screener for you to pick any coin to trade. Right now the market cap of this very one is about 51,000, so that's the more reason we sold very early. It might still have to increase, but that's not our case. Our case was to just get that little profit and walk away. So let me show you the reasons of my entry. Go over to deck screener, and you're going to see that there are a bunch of cryptocurrencies on there. So we need to make some changes to that deck screener so it can suit our strategy. So first of all, change this very one to trending 6 hours. By default, it might be on trending like 24 hours or thereabout. Change it to trending 6 hours. And this very one, which is called Altcoins. Okay, this very one called Altcoins, you need to also change it to Solana, as we're doing all of these on the Solana ecosystem. Then you scroll to the right hand side and change the liquidity to 49,500. You all might have seen these. Like, this is basically the strategy I've been using for the past 30 days. It seems to be very consistent. So go out there, do your research, and see how you can subsidize these into your own strategy. I'm not telling you to do exactly what I'm doing. Keep in mind, I will not be responsible for any outcome that this brings. So do your research thoroughly before taking your decision. Set your minimum to 49,500 and then click on apply. And after then, you also switch up the volume to about 500,000. Then you click on apply to lock it in. As simple as that. Then the last one is going to be pH. pH is about maximum of 2 hours apparently. So that is pretty much all we had to do.